Let's dive deeper into entry type number 1. In this lesson, you will learn about the first of the 3 entry types, the proximal entry. As you see here, looking at the entry types on the right side of the screen, we have a drop-based rally formation in the example, establishing a demand zone. This would be a point where we are looking to buy at. With a proximal entry, we use a limit order. We would place a buy limit order at the proximal line price. We would then wait for price to come back, and as soon as price touches the proximal line, our order would get filled. For a supply zone, we see we have a rally-based drop formation. Once we see that drop out of the zone, that tells us there are unfilled institutional sell orders left at the base of the zone. We want to sell, so we would submit our sell order at the proximal line price after the price has dropped out of the zone. Then we would wait. We would wait for the price to retrace back to the zone. As soon as it touches the proximal line, that's when the sell order would get filled. Before you move on, be able to identify where to enter a demand zone using a proximal entry. Be able to identify where to enter a supply zone using a proximal entry. And again, just to reiterate, a proximal entry is where we would place our limit order. Hope to see you in the next video.